Hello, my name is Matt, and this is my first YouTube instructional video. I figured to start it out, why not? Let's make a drink. This is one of my favorite drinks. This is going to be a Pomegranate Martini. Very easy to drink, smooth tasting, and packs a pretty good kick. This video may be a little bit like the episode on TV of Drunk History, as in the fact that I've had one or two of these already before I started making this video. So let's see how that works out. Anyway, I don't know what the rules are on YouTube as far as product marketing goes, so I've put tape across the names of the products that I'm going to be using. But anyway, what you're going to need is some type of a citron vodka. You'll need pomegranate schnapps. There's a lot of different pomegranate liqueurs and things out there, but this is the one that I found that I like the best, has the best flavor. It is actually not a liqueur, well, it is a liqueur, but it is a pomegranate schnapps. Some sweet and sour mix, any kind. You'll have to make a little bit of simple syrup, basically like a cup of water, a cup of sugar, heat it up on the stove, bring it to almost to a boil till it all dissolves. That'll give you about 12 ounces worth of simple syrup. So what I like to do to make things easy is I go ahead and pre-mix my simple syrup with my sweet and sour. Since they're used in equal amounts, I just mix them equal. So if I made 12 ounces of simple syrup, I would dump 12 ounces of sweet and sour into it, shake it up. Then that I can keep in the fridge cold, so it's ready when I get home and would like to have a 5 o'clock cocktail. All I have to do is pull this out and it's already pre-mixed. That also makes it easier to make the whole drink. So since I have this pre-mixed with the simple syrup, 50-50 with the sweet and sour, I don't really need this for the rest of the demonstration. So anyway, these are the items that you will need. And you will also need a shot glass, and you will need a martini glass if you like. I have one in the freezer right now chilling. I like to have a cold glass. So let me get a shot glass real quick. So I already put ice in my mixer, and it's a real easy recipe. So you use your citron vodka, 1 part, so whatever you want to measure. This is 1.5 ounces. That's 1. Then you take your pomegranate schnapps. Again, same measure. 1.5 ounces. 1. And then the mixture that's 50-50, simple syrup, which is just water and sugar, and the sweet and sour mix. And again, it's 1 measure. 1.5. And that's it. So that's how quick you can make your evening martini. You go ahead and shake that up with the ice a little bit, let it sit. I like to let it sit for a couple minutes. That actually gets it nice and cold. In the meantime, I took a martini glass and ran some water on it, then tossed it in the freezer so that it would get frosted. We'll go ahead and pour this. The other thing you can do is you can put a saucer with some simple syrup, dip the rim of the glass in it, and then dip that into some sugar. Some granular, like chunky sugar, or even just regular sugar, and get the edge with a sugar rim, and then it has a really nice color to it. You got the frozen glass. Cheers everyone, this is a really good drink. You should try it, and hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.